It's cold as fuck, so this is gonna take a minute. Welcome back to the Red and Black Barbecue Shack, guys. It's been too long. The competition season is over. Been dealing with a lot of shit with family and work and the holidays, but those are all crappy excuses. Let's get back to cooking some good food. So here, I've got a big old skirt steak that's been marinating in this Korean barbecue sauce all day long. I'm gonna take it out of here and put a good healthy coating of this sesame ginger crunch rub on it. We've got our meat rubbed down and looking great already. We're letting the Traeger get up to 225 and then we'll be off and rocking with this bad boy. Alright, we got the Traeger cranking at 225. We got the hopper full enough of some Bear Mountain barbecue pellets, the gourmet barbecue blend. This ain't a long cook, so we should be alright. And we got the skirt steak on here. Ignore that box that just smoked me in the foot. This thing is already looking great. We're gonna temp it in probably like 30 minutes. It's already been on there for like 15, so we'll check back in a little bit. This has been on there for about 45 minutes. It's come up to the temperature we're looking for, right around 125. So we are gonna pull it off and let it rest while we get that barbecue cranking all the way up to 500 degrees. We'll be back. After almost starting a small grease fire, we are at a perfect medium and we are about to pull it off to rest, and that is how I like my skirt steak. You can cook yours however you want it. Alright guys, there you have it. That is a juicy, smoky, delicious, reverse seared skirt steak on the Traeger. I cannot wait to dig in. I just made some sushi rice, so I'm gonna go make me a bowl. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Deuces.